Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. In view of the rising COVID-19 cases, a complete shutdown has been ordered in Cuttack city. The shutdown will remain in force till July 8 midnight. However, all the essential shops like grocery, vegetable and milk shops will remain open from 5 am to 6 pm. The shops have to strictly follow the COVID-19 guidelines and social distancing norms. In the interest of public health, the state government has ordered that the religious activities and congregations will remain prohibited and the Kavariyas are not allowed to participate in the entire process in the month of Shravan this year. Archaeological Survey of India to reopen Barabati Fort, Lalitigiri, Ratnagiri, 64 Yogini Pitha, Rajarani Temple and Udaygiri and Khandagiri caves among others for visitors from July 6. However, Konark Sun Temple to remain out of bound for tourists. A resident of Pimpri Chinchwad of Pune district, Shankar Kurade, has got himself a mask made of gold worth Rs 2.89 lakh. Mr. Kurade loves wearing gold ornaments and his hands and neck are loaded with jewelry. This unique idea struck him soon after he saw a man wearing a silver mask on social media. The Goa government said on Wednesday that the state will be open for tourists from Thursday and that around 250 hotels will be permitted to start operations. These establishments, which had applied to the government signaling their readiness to start, will now be allowed to accept guests with prior bookings. Water bottles made out of bamboo, an unique innovation by Bamboo and Cane Development Institute in Tripura, have shot to the limelight after Bollywood actress Raveena Tandon placed an order from TRPC. This is a hygienic and leak-proof bottle with the concept designed and developed by us, said BCDI head Dr. Abhinav Kant, adding that a barrier of glass, steel and copper prevents the water from coming in contact with the bamboo. This helps prevent fungal growth, odor and leakage. With less money to spend, car buyers are settling for smaller cars and petrol variants. Maruti Suzuki, for instance, has seen a 10% year-on-year increase in inquiries and bookings for small cars. Another factor pushing sales of petrol vehicles is that government departments are now buying petrol rather than diesel versions. With the Olympics postponed, cricket hasn't been an exception and the pandemic has ensured that there has been no cricket since 13th of March. A total of 52 international matches would have been cancelled by the time cricket sees a resumption next week. Come of the 8th of July 2020 and Southampton would be connected in history with Sydney and Wellington. The World Health Organization is finally sending a team to China next week to prepare to investigate the source of SARS, the virus responsible for the COVID-19 pandemic. So far, over 11 million people worldwide have tested positive for the disease, which has led to over 5,25,000 deaths. Thank you for watching and please visit our website www.karwakispeaks.com for more updates and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.